Chess, fencing, art, and violin are key design elements of Rosalyn Yalow's curriculum because they are disciplined activities that teach children critical thinking skills, mental and physical focus, analysis, and how to formulate actionable goals. These skills are a metaphor for a good life. In chess and fencing in particular, children learn by losing. What went wrong? Did I recognize the threat? How could I have improved my position to achieve a better outcome? These are life skills that help children become better citizens in our changing world.
In chess, there's so many solutions if you understand that there is a problem. But that's the point, is that you actually have to look at their moves. You can't just do what you want and then run into something like that. Chess has rules, and if you're going to be breaking them, you need excellent reasons.
What's the move here?
Bishop takes h7.
Good. Bishop takes h7. Once you have 4 knights, remember these 4 knights. Together, say
d4.
Go back into what Coach Ilya was showing us. You don't have to. Okay. Equal endgame, right?
This tournament allows children to measure their progress, see how they fit in with their competitors, and find that there are always areas for growth and improvement.
don't worry about anything else. Just give your best and try to learn.
You're coming to a team that's going to support you. And know that you're coming to a room filled with love.
I won because I used all the advice and the tactics that we have learned.
I won because my opponent was tired and I checkmated them. I won by threatening checkmates by my opponent, taking my time and making my opponent tired and confused.
I was losing by material, and then my opponent moved the pawn, and then I checked again, and then he took with the rook, and then I checkmated.
Samuel, congratulations on becoming the state chess champion in your division. Tell us how you're feeling right now.
I feel really great.